For the standing bird dog, you want the ball set off center in front of one leg. You'll then bring the same side hand to the ball, and then tuck opposite hand to opposite knee beneath the chest. From there, you're going to extend the arm until the hand is even with the shoulder, and the leg until heel is even with the hip, bringing the chest to parallel with the floor. As you extend the leg, be sure the hip stays pointed down towards the floor and not open to the side. As you bring the hand to the knee, raise the chest slightly before resetting for the next rep.